Hello and welcome to IT and Automation channel. This is part 1 of our Linux tutorial series. In this series, we will be laying the foundation by covering the basics and everything you need to know to get started. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to refresh their skills, this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So why learn Linux? Learning Linux is important in IT work for several reasons. So it's widely used operating system. It is one of the most widely used operating systems in the world, powering a vast array of devices, servers and systems. Many organizations from small businesses to large enterprises rely on Linux for their IT infrastructure. And its versatility, meaning it can be adapted to various use cases including web servers, database servers, network appliances, IoT devices and many more other things. Its flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications and industries. And it's open source, which means its source code is freely available to view, modify, and distribute. This fosters a vibrant community of developers and contributors who continually improve and enhance the operating system. And it's cost effective. Linux is cost effective compared to proprietary operating systems like Windows. It is available for free and there are no licensing fees associated with its use. This makes it an attractive option for organizations looking to minimize their IT expenses. And security. It offers strong user permissions, access controls, and built-in security mechanism to protect against malware, viruses, and other security threats. And the career opportunities. Linux is highly valued in the IT industry and can open up a wide range of career opportunities. Many IT roles such as system administrators, network engineers, DevOps engineers, platform engineers, SRE, cloud architects, etc. require Linux skills. And the cloud computing. Linux is the dominant operating system in cloud computing environments. Many cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offer extensive support for Linux-based virtual machines and containers, and is used in DevOps and automation. It plays a crucial role in DevOps practices and automation workflows. Many automation tools, scripting languages, and configuration management frameworks are designed to work seamlessly with Linux system. So overall, learning Linux is very essential for IT professionals looking to stay competitive in today's technology-driven world. It provides a strong foundation for building expertise in various IT disciplines and enables individuals to tackle complex challenges in diverse environments. Now let's look into history and background of Linux. So Linux is a free and open source Unix-like operating system kernel first created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Is the core component of many Linux distributions which are complete operating systems built around the Linux kernel and include various software packages such as utilities, libraries, and applications. Linux distributions combine the Linux kernel with additional software like utilities, libraries, and graphical interface to create complete operating system used for desktops, servers, and embedded devices. Now let's look into Linux distributions. There are hundreds of Linux distributions available, each with its own focus, target audience, and set of features. Some of the most well-known and widely used Linux distributions are Ubuntu. It is one of the most popular desktop Linux distributions, known for its user-friendly interface and extensive software repository. It is based on Debian and offers long-term support releases. Debian, a stable and versatile distribution that forms the basis for many other distributions including Ubuntu. Debian is known for its commitment to free software principle and its robust package management systems. Fedora, developed by Fedora Project and sponsored by Red Hat. Fedora is a cutting-edge distribution that showcases the latest open source technologies. It's often used by developers and enthusiasts who want to stay on the leading edge of software development. CentOS, a community-driven distribution based on the source code of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, also known as RHEL. CentOS is known for its stability and long-term support, making it popular for server deployments. And the Kali Linux, designed for cybersecurity professional and enthusiasts. Kali Linux is packed with tools for penetration testing, digital forensics, and security auditing. It's based on Debian and is widely used in the security community. So these are just a few examples, and there are many other Linux distributions tailored for specific purposes such as gaming, education, and multimedia production. Additionally, there are niche distributions focused on specific hardware platforms or specialized use cases. So, how Linux works? Linux works as an operating system providing a platform for computer hardware and software to interact. So, what is kernel? At the core of Linux is the kernel, which is responsible for managing the system resources and providing essential services such as process management, memory management, device drivers, and file system management. It interacts directly with the hardware to provide a consistent interface for higher level software. And user space. So above the kernel lies the user space, where user applications and system utilities run. These include graphical user interfaces, command line tools, daemons, and various system services. User space programs communicate with the kernel through system calls, which allow them to request resource or perform operations. And the file system. Linux uses a hierarchical file system to organize data on storage devices. The file system provides a structured way to store and access files and directories, with each file and directory represented by an inode, also known as index node. Common file systems used in Linux include ext4, xfs, btrfs, and others. Linux also supports a wide range of file system types, including those native to other operating systems like FAT and NTFS. So, shell. Linux provides a command line interface known as the shell, which allow users to interact with the system using text commands. The shell interprets user inputs, executes commands, and manages processes. Bash, also known as a bone against shell, is the default shell for the most Linux distribution. Processes. In Linux, a process is an instance of a running program. The kernel manages processes, scheduling them for execution on the CPU and providing each process with its own virtual memory space. Processes can run in the foreground or background, and they can communicate with each other through inter-process communication mechanism provided by the kernel. Networking. Linux includes comprehensive networking capabilities, allowing computers to communicate over local area networks and the internet. The kernel provides support for various networking protocols such as TCP/IP, UDP, and HTTP, as well as networking features like routing, firewall, and network device management. And the security. Linux incorporates numerous security features to protect the system and its users. This includes users and group permissions, access control list, file system encryption, firewall, and security enhanced Linux, which provide mandatory access control mechanism. So overall, Linux operates by providing a stable and efficient platform for running a wide range of applications and services. Its modular design, open source nature, and extensive community support make it popular choice for everything from personal computers to servers, embedded devices, and supercomputers. So that's the end of part 1 on Linux tutorial. If you are ready to embark on this Linux journey with us, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue our exploration of Linux. Take care, bye.